Bui, bui. This is a verb that has multiple uses. The first one refers to a rain shower, and we usually call that reënbui, reënbui, to distinguish from all the other buie. Ons verwag reënbuie vanmiddag. We expect showers this afternoon. The second definition of bui refers to someone's mood. This one is probably used more often, I think. And jou bui means your mood. Sy is in 'n goeie bui vandag. She is in a good mood today. Hy is alweer in 'n bui vandag. He is in a mood again today. The third definition of bui refers to a fit of something, not all kind of fits, but in this case, a fit of laughter or a fit of coughing or a coughing fit. Lachbui, a fit of laughter. Hoesbui, a coughing fit. Dit is buierig, or you can say dit is buierig vandag. This is just a way we refer to the weather when there is showers ahead or there's thunder on the horizon, or you can hear the thunder already. And this is a way to explain moody weather. Sy is buierig. Sy is buierig. You can also use buierig to refer to a person's mood and just means this person or she is moody.